Hey everyone, I just received another mystery box from Zondervan, but this one does tell me on the outside what is in it. It is the NIV Side Column Reference Premier Collection. So let's open this up and see what this looks like. I have never seen this one. That's my poor attempt at hiding my address, in case you're wondering. Here we go. It is a Premier Collection. NIV Side Column Reference Bible Wide Margin Personal Size. I like personal size. I am a fan of personal size. That's a thick box. There's a Premier Collection. I don't show these in the videos, but they do come in these wrapped like this. And this information about the Premier Collection. So there's the information about this edition. Let me show you a little trick. You probably know this. Grab that and just pull that right out. And then this is good as new. And that is blue. I like that. Let me close this. It's giving me anxiety. So we have a blue cover, goat skin, edge lined, silver pages, page edges, 3 ribbons. And there's our layout, side column reference. Oh, I love that layout. So this is very reminiscent of the New King James that Thomas Nelson put out. So yeah, blue highlights. Black letter, side column reference. So I will be reviewing this one pretty soon. I've got a few Bibles ahead of it, but just to give you a sneak peek, that is the NIV Side Column Reference Bible Wide Margin Personal Size in the Premier Collection in blue. So stay tuned for the review.